See, FIIs don't come and invest based on budgets. When they usually come, except the hot money flows that come through EM allocations, etc. Apart from that, the large long-term investors that come into Indian markets take a 5-10 year view, and budget does not really, there will be some policy tweaks, but apart from that, it does not alter the long-term trajectory of India as an economy. So India is very simple story. It offers you real GDP growth rate of 6.5%, which is probably double the world GDP growth, or developed market growth at least. Uh, Add inflation to it of 5.5%, which will think will persist over the long run. So nominally, India is going to grow at 11-12%, and that's an average GDP that one would expect on a nominal basis. And if revenues is equal to GDP, then revenues of companies will tend to grow at that 11-12%, and that's an average growth rate of companies in the economy. And if better companies that you pick are able to deliver higher growth, slightly higher growth than the average, because formal companies that are part of the more listed universe tend to be better companies overall, and will gain market share because of the formalization as we go forward. They will tend to grow at higher rate, and as we as managers are able to pick companies that grow faster and revenue growth as well as earnings growth, then probably India should, or investors in India should expect about 14-15% uh, earnings growth, which translates into stock market performance over the long run. Uh, and hence, that is the story why FIIs are coming to Indian markets, to take advantage of the secular growth story that India offers. And hence, given they were away from the market, or shying away from the market, or selling from the market, was because of the overvaluation that prevailed on a relative basis as compared to any other economy out there, from an emerging market standpoint. And hence, we saw that exits. And as valuations become more reasonable and gives them an opportunity, I'm sure they'll come for the growth that India offers and not the budget. So I think India foreign investors will sooner or later come to Indian markets again, and we will see higher allocations from them going forward as markets give them an opportunity to allocate.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.